Hi everyone, it's Magda from Foyr, and today I'm going to show you how to delete, hide or change baseboards. You have to be in 3D mode of your project. Click on baseboard, and now in the top center of your screen we have edit tool, which you can click on it, and from here you can change the height and thickness of your baseboards, and you can also change the style of the baseboards. You can change that to your complete floor plan or to room only. We will leave it at the complete floor plan. Click on change baseboard and select a different baseboard. Now your baseboards are changed. You can also delete your baseboards from here. And when we click on them again, we can hide and unhide them. If you want to hide them, you have to click on highlighted baseboards and choose the ones that you want to hide. Now click this again, and if you want to unhide them, then we click on hide unhide tool again. We choose the ones that we want to unhide. Click hide unhide again, and that's done. Hope it was helpful. Happy designing!